Here we come to the elevators at Galleria Tower 2 in Houston, Texas. These are Otis. Obviously doing renovation to this building. These elevators are still the same as before. 12 works. I thought we're all locked out. These definitely used to be Otis. These are the only elevators I'm able to access. Unfortunately, Galleria Tower 1 is turnstile. These are the high-rise elevators. These definitely used to have Otis Touch, or either that or Lexan. Looks like the Otis sign is upside down. If no one's waiting, I might go for one to ride. I wonder what kind of fixtures are these? I've never seen these kind of concave fixtures, or arched, not concave, but some sort of arched looking vanity fixtures of some type. Alright, let's go down, let's go back down to the lower level where I can get to the mall. So those are the original lanterns right there. The door operator appears to be original, I think. These appear to be some sort of EPCO based on the press. But innovation call button, or actually there's some sort of custom vanity innovation of some type. Actually, there's some sort of, based on the innovation call button right there, this has got to be some sort of custom innovation. There it goes, and that's it.